Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my spiced baked rice recipe. Please sit back and enjoy. So the list of ingredients you will need are the following: 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon hot paprika, 3/4 cups beef stock, 1 cup rice, 2 teaspoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup frozen peas, corn, carrot mixture, and 1 cup of water. So the first thing you want to do is get a frying pan and place all the rice in it. Then let the heat rise a bit before adding in your butter. Then once your butter has mostly melted through, then get your oil and pour it all over the rice as well. Doing this will help keep the rice in individual grains and not stick together, so you need to make sure you get every piece of rice completely coated. Once completed, then you'll need to add in your seasonings and give them a mix through. First up salt, then pepper, then garlic and onion powder, and then your hot paprika. Once that's done, you need to grab your beef stock and just pour it all in your pan. And then you'll add your vegetables and water, and then bring it to a boil. Once boiled, you'll need to transfer it into a baking dish. Before putting it into the oven, you'll need to wrap your dish, and the way that I like to do it is to get some baking paper and put it in the dish so it touches the liquid, and then cover it in foil tightly all the way around the edges. Then it goes into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then you take it out and let it sit for an additional 10 minutes covered. Once rested, take off the foil and fluff it up with a fork. This is great on its own or served as a side with some roasted chicken. Thank you for watching. Try and make it yourself. See you next time. Have a great day.